Good evening, folks. This is Greg Judy, Green Pastures Farm. Today I'm going to give you a plug about a workshop that I'm going to be teaching in Virginia. It's going to be held at the Catawba. I may not have pronounced that right, but it's being put on by Virginia Tech. And it's a one-day workshop. I'm going to be teaching that. It's going to be some classroom and some pasture walks. And I think it's going to be out on the research farm, the pasture walks part, but it's going to be sponsored by Virginia Tech. And that's going to be Friday, May 17th. It starts at 9 o'clock and runs till 4:30. So yeah, if you want to sign up, there's going to be a link in the description section of this video. And yeah, get there, and it's going to be a great one-day action, information-packed workshop. So we'll be talking about maximizing animal performance for maximum profit. So, your animals, if you're going to try and finish them on grass, there's some really key things that I'm going to talk about that will help you highlight that on your own grazing operation. So hope to see some of y'all at Catawba. I may not pronounce that right, but it's the way it's spelled anyway. Catawba, Virginia. It's pretty close to Roanoke. Anyway, hope to see some of y'all there. Y'all have a good one, and we'll see you in Virginia.